Hello friends, welcome back to Structural Funda. Now today we are going to calculate bolt value, or we can say that bolt strength for M20 4.6 grade ordinary black bolt, which is going to be used to connect a 10 mm thick plate. Now going with the solution. Now first of all we have given M20 bolts. So what M20 bolts indicates that, so from M20 we can say that the original diameter is 20 mm as we learn in the theory part, and the diameter of hole, which is indicated by D0 or DH, which is equal to nominal diameter plus standard clearance according to the IS 800. And for standard clearance we will have the table number 19 page number 73, in which standard clearance is given for 20 mm bolt as 2 mm. So diameter of hole is nothing but the 22 mm. Now 4.6 grade bolt indicates that the ultimate capacity of bolt, means ultimate strength of bolt, FUB, is 4 times 100, it means 400 megapascal, and the yield strength of the bolt, yield strength indicated by FYB, is nothing but the 0.6 times FUB, and 0.6 into 400, which is equal to 240 megapascal. Now see, from the grade and from the diameter we can have diameter of hole as well as the nominal diameter, and from the grade we will have ultimate capacity of bolt and yield capacity of bolt. Now going ahead, now first of all we are going to calculate the required terms which is used in shear capacity as well as the bearing capacity. So first one is pitch or gauge distance. Pitch or gauge distance. Now pitch and gauge distance is, as per the definition, 2.5 times the original diameter, and this data is given in IS 800 2007 page number 73 clause number 10.2.2, where minimum spacing definition is given as it must be greater than 2.5 times diameter, as we are going to assume 2.5 times the diameter. So 2.5 into diameter 20 mm, which is equal to 50 mm. Now another thing is hand or edge distance, which is denoted by small e. Now pitch is denoted by P and gauge is denoted by G. E or E dash both are equal, and end distance or edge distance, and according to the page number 74 SAM code clause number 10.2.4.2, it is clearly given that the end or edge distance is assumed as 1.7 times diameter of hole for the hand flame. Hand flame cut means in situ or in field, it is used as 1.7 into 22, and 1.7 into 22 almost 37.4. now assume that it is 40 mm. Now this data is used for the calculation of shear capacity as well as the bearing capacity. Now first going for the shear capacity of bolt. Shear capacity of bolt, now according to clause number 10.3.3, now design shear capacity of bolt VDSB is given as VNSB by gamma MB, and VNSB equation is given as FU by root 3 gamma MB in the denominator as it is into NN ANB plus NS ASB. Now this data is already covered in the theory part of bolt and terminology used in the shear capacity. Now we are going to use all the terms. Now for better connection, we are assuming that NN equal to 1, NS equal to 0. Now we will have A and B. area of threaded part, which is equal to 0.78 pi by 4 into d square. It also covered in the theory part. So 0.78 pi by 4 into 20 square, which is nearly equal to 0.78 pi by 4 d square is almost 245 mm square. Now putting all the value in equation, we have 400 by root 3. Gamma mb is nothing but 1.25 from table number 5, page number 30. Nn is equal to 1. A and b is 245 plus we have assumed ns equal to 0. So 400 into 245 by root 3 by 1.25, it's almost 45.3 kilonewton. In terms of kilonewton, we will have the value divided by 10 raised to 3, it is 45.3 kilonewton. It means that the for M20 4.6 grade bolt, we will have the shear capacity as 45.3. Now going ahead for the bearing capacity, according to clause number 10.3.4, bearing capacity is defined as VDPB is equal to VNPB by gamma MB, and VNPB is further defined as 2.5 kb dt fu, and in denominator gamma MB is there. Now in this term, kb is E by 3d0, P by 3d0 minus 0.25, fu bolt by fu plate, and 1.0. We will have kb as smaller of these four values. So from above calculation, we will have E is equal to 40, 3, d0 is nothing but 22. So 40 by 3 into 22, 0.606. Now pitch value is defined as 2.5 into d0, as we calculated as 50 into 0.25. So 50 by 3 d0 minus 0.25, it's almost 0.51. Now FUB is 400, FUP is 410. So 400 by 410 is 0.976 and 1. Now out of these four value, the minimum value is 0.51. So we will have kb is equal to 0.51. Let us put all the values in the equation. 2.5, kb is equal to 0.51, d nominal diameter 20, t we have assumed 10 mm thick plate, FUP 410 megapascal divided by gamma mb, it is 1.25. Let us calculate the value. It's almost 83.64 kilonewton. Now this is for M20 4.6 grade bolt. Now see, we will have two values. One is shear capacity, which is equal to 45.3, and bearing capacity, which is equal to 83.64. So generally bolt value is defined as minimum of two values, which is equal to VDSB, means design shear capacity of bolt, and VDPB, design bearing capacity of bolt. So from this equation we have bolt value for M20 4.6 grade bolt as 45.3 kilonewton. It means that whenever the M20 4.6 grade bolt is given, we are directly take 45.3 kilonewton as the bolt value. Thank you.